Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just a quick update on the Korean Evodia trees. This was one of the stronger trees, but it started dropping some of its leaves. And I put it in the ground about a month and a half ago. And it just recently started adding new growth. So it looks pretty good now. Yeah, it's about 4 feet. Probably would have been a lot bigger if I had put it in the ground first thing in the spring. The only problem with this location is it usually has about 6 feet of snow when we have a really bad winter. And so I might have to build some structure to protect it from the compacted snow. But yeah, this is the strongest one. And it's the only one I have actually in the ground, so it's doing pretty good. I have some others that I just recently up-potted. Let's take a look at them. So I've got some of the taller ones here. I potted into the trade gallons. And really, you know, they're not suitable for shipping. People would have a problem with them. You know, this one here looks like it's got a chlorophyll problem as far as fertilizing goes, but they'll be older next year, and if I don't use them, I can just charge more for them, I guess, on eBay. But yeah, a lot of these they're not perfect trees. So we'll see. Well, at least I'll see. I'll try to protect them, but see if they survive the winter. I'm not certain if I'll leave them outside or not. I don't know. I'll find out if the one in the front yard survives the winter at least. I've got another one in the greenhouse and some more smaller ones in the lean-to. When I repotted those other ones yesterday, I had them in the flats, and I think maybe it was overwatering. What will happen is almost overnight you'll have it rot right here at the base, and the leaves will do something like this, and the stems will drop off, and it's a goner. But some of these they had scale on them too, and then others are just right from, well, for as long as I can recall, they're just runts. They look like this, so I don't know what was going on with. I guess it's sort of like when you have a litter of puppies or kittens, you know, there's always a runts of the litter or something with the genetics. But the only other two that I was looking at, these look pretty clean, and I might put these, list these on eBay. And here's another one that's iffy. I don't want to ship stuff like this. So here's this one here. It's been in this pot for a while and seems to be kind of stuck. I had one this size that just died. I wasn't certain if maybe the black pot got too hot for the root system. But these get to be, I was looking at some YouTube videos where they have these planted in Eastern Europe, and they get pretty big. And this is the one that just died. Yeah, it's not coming back. So I don't know what happened with that one. But I'm hopeful for the one that I put in the ground, so that would make it a 3-year-old tree if it survives into next year. I think it takes about 5 years to get it to the mature enough where it's gonna bloom, but we'll see. So this is New England Gardening on a quick update on Korean Evodia trees. Thanks for watching.